Welcome, professional BODGERITES. Today we found myself on the road to Silent Hill. Well, actually it's the road to Machynlleth. I can't say it right. I don't know why I put a Scottish accent on. This is definitely not Scotland. Oh, it looks kind of similar. Today we are going to get some new tyres for the truck. And unfortunately I had to travel across the mountain road because the main road is closed. So we've got the fun of the mist and the fog. We're going to get some new tyres. So yeah, so I'll do some shots on the way there. We'll see how we go. Over the mountain and the mist and the snow. There's no snow. There's no snow. Oh, we got mud on the roads. Thank you, Mr. Farmers.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. And we're going up the mountain some more. We want higher. Welcome to a place called Dylife. This place is pretty much mountain territory from this point on. The actual real mountain. Oh, gaping! God, everyone hates those things. So yeah, this will be much mistier, much steeper. This is the highest point of the journey, I think. Usually this place is covered in snow most of the time. Obviously, except the summer, but could be covered in snow today. We will see. Just for references, that's what the road's supposed to look like. It's a long old way. Down to about 20 mile an hour top speed because it is very dangerous. I've seen one random truck up here. Crazy, man. It's terrible footage because we're filming on my phone. Typically it ran out of typically my camera ran out of battery power, so yeah, we're here. I can't really show you without the man probably getting angry because I'm filming him. So yeah, we'll get the tyres slapped on and we'll show you what they look like afterwards. So there we have it. Look at these chunky old bad boys. That has some thread. We've got a set of Rangers all around. Look at this thing. That was a good little garage. I think it was Gwyn Lewis garage, something like that, in Mach. Highly rated, really good service. Had a quick health check as well. And they told me the truck's actually in really good condition. Clean underneath, everything's all good. Although it does seem a little low on the left side. I don't think it's tyre pressure, I think the suspension's starting to go, but apparently it's all good. Can't complain. The only other thing we've done to it is sticker bombs. We've got a light out, I can see that. They're quite new as well. Number plate light, but you know, that's good enough. Yeah, done some random stickers because we're going to be doing some camping. Check them out! Sticker bombs. This is a pretty part of the world. If you're not from Wales or never been, come to Wales, look at that. You could go exploring up there, crazy. Road is so quiet. This is like a little back road. Yeah, there's the old truck. Happy ho. Let's get moving, shall we? Adventure time on the mountain road. With some electrical tape holding the camera onto the dashboard. Already starting to fall off. I can see it wobbling already.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
Into the middle of nowhere. Gotcha. You know what? These tyres are so much quieter this time round. More tread. Even though the remolds, but with the proper done remolds, usually in Spain, and I think they've got like pretty high tolerances. It's the only thing with these tyres. A lot of people don't like remolds. You know, the old legend goes they're not very safe, but get them done right and they're E-rated. They're pretty decent. Look at the views, which you probably can't see on the camera. Epic. And here we go, we're starting to get to the mountainy bit. It seems to be like a line almost, it tells you there, look. Interesting. Almost one track. Just about to get a couple of vehicles past each other, but up we climb. See frost over here, all over these fences or ice, so best watch my speed, but what a cool place. Beautiful Wales. And we're still climbing. And there's ice on the road, I can see it. I'm trying to give you views of the amazing mountain road when you can't actually see even in front of us the mountain road. So, one tip I will give most people if they're not used to these kind of roads: you're driving under fog lights, obviously. I've not turned mine on because I don't know where the button is and I don't really think they're much use. Flash your lights every now and again, or at the very least, if it helps, when it's not night time, put your full beam on. Especially if you've got a spotlight bar across the top. Obviously if someone comes along, turn it off, but they should be able to hopefully see it from a bit of a distance. Like now, I can only see, I don't know, 10 yards, whatever it is in front of me. It's just a wall of thickness of fog, mist, whatever it is. It's getting worse. Obviously, let's see, headlights going off and on. Doesn't make any difference to my vision. It would if it was night time. I wouldn't be able to see what's on, but it helps a little bit with the view, especially if a lorry comes along. It's worth doing because this is pretty thick fog. Whoa, look at this thing. Okay, that's cool. I don't know what it is. Should have stopped there. Some kind of strange ledge, and we've got some stones down there. Look a bit like some kind of sacrificial altar. We're going to have a look. That's what we're going to do. We're going to have a quick look. Truck looking good in all its glory up the misty mountains. I mean, that would be a cool road to go off-roading down. We will actually come back here at some point. Look at this. This is all building of some kind. I'm assuming these are the foundations of the old building. What happened here? Maybe it was like a mining place. Someone could probably tell me. You might be able to see in the distance there's like that weird ledge thing. It was obviously part of whatever the hell this thing was. And I'm guessing this is some kind of, I don't know, maybe it was a quarry. It's got a little stream going through. Pretty! We're definitely coming back here and off-roading down there. 100%. I can't actually see where, well, it's my glasses, but wow, what a cool place, eh? We'll come back, for sure. One side, you always find weird rubbish in the middle of nowhere. Someone's label. I'm guessing gloves? Look. Oh no, it's something for women. Of course it is. Alright, we had a little bit of random sightseeing, just to add some interest. No signal on my phone, so I don't actually know where the turning is. Not massively helpful. Exploring with a professional watcher. And one thing I will say, Google Maps, not brilliant if you lose signal, because it doesn't seem to try and reconnect itself. So I'm now in the middle of Wales, roughly know where I am, but if you didn't, you would be screwed. Remember that bin thing? Yes, we are going the right way. But there will be a turning that I'm going to miss because it's not going to tell me where the turning is. Clutter Dam, sketchy road, probably loads of mist, lots of people, although maybe not on a day like today, and try not to crash into the dam itself because that's a fear of absolutely everybody, right? Red light.
Red light.
We're waiting for it. Green light. Green. Oh crap! It's green light.
Green light.
Green light. Run for your life. You don't get that reference? Where you been? And I have no steering wheel shake, or very minimal. I can let go of my steering wheel. Improvements. It's the first time I've been able to do 6 on a straight flat road, so free. That's your bonus content. Like and subscribe.